Hey guys, Blake here with Torque Boards. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to attach your 12S4P battery onto your deck of your electric skateboard. So to secure our battery into our deck right here, we're going to be using these strips of adhesive Velcro. And these actually have an adhesive backer right here. This peels off and it's super sticky, and this side's going to be put down onto the deck right here, and then we're going to be wrapping our battery in all three of these Velcro strips right here to secure everything. We're going to be using 3 pieces of Velcro because our battery is split into 3 pieces. So each one of these is going to be wrapped around and secured around each battery module like this. So to position our Velcro strips in the right place, we just want to simply align our battery with where it's going to go into our deck, or where it's going to end up being rested. So this is about where our battery is going to fit into our deck. So what we can do now is line up our Velcro pieces right here with where we want them to go around our modules. So what we can do is just line them up right here on the side of the deck, and we'll just keep these here for a second while we take the battery out. So now we can move the Velcro pieces into the deck where they would have aligned with where the battery just was. So right here is about where we're going to want to stick all of these. So what we can do next is take off our backing right here of the adhesive, and then we can firmly press our adhesive strips down against the deck. So you'll want to firmly press your adhesive side down against the deck right here like so, and your battery, once you have your other 2 strips on, is going to go in between these flaps right here, and then these are going to go over the battery, and this Velcro will stick together and fold over, so your battery will be nicely secured in these. So we'll go ahead and do the other 2 right now and show you what that looks like. So here are our Velcro adhesive strips pressed down against the deck right here. And what we can do next is take our battery and secure this into the Velcro strips right here to hold the battery in place. After your battery is sitting inside the Velcro like this, to get everything tightly secured around each module, you want to fasten these strips like so and pull them as tightly as possible around each module. And then you want to lay this Velcro across the top right here to secure everything while you have everything pulled tight. So now your battery won't move at all when you move your battery around. So while you're riding, your battery should not move around at all when you're moving at high speeds or riding on rougher pavement. So here are all 3 adhesive straps around each of the 3 modules of our battery, and this is exactly what you're going to want it to look like. And now, as you can see, our battery is fully secured here, and this will not be moving anywhere. So that wraps it up for this tutorial on how to assemble your 12S4P battery into your deck. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you'd like to see something specific from us. In the next tutorial video, we're going to be attaching our BMS and our battery to our electronics that are on our enclosure. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks, have a good day.